Hello, welcome to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I'm sharing today these little wonders that I've been busy making. I can't believe it's Wednesday today and I've only made one video. The reason why, I've been trying to catch up on some of these little beauties. Do you remember I told you I joined a knitting and crochet group, right? Well, I have, and I started on the 10th of last month. It's every fortnight. It's not every week, it's every fortnight. I started on the 10th of April, and the ladies had told me that they every year they knit, they do a big knit, whereas they all get together and knit little hats to go on the innocent smoothie bottles. They team up with a charity called Age UK, and each bottle of innocent smoothie sold with a hat on it, 25p of that goes to Age UK. So all these ladies every year they knit a whole load of hats to make a contribution to that charity, and I started making my contribution. So I didn't bother starting anything apart from the pouch that I did for my Motum, my A7, my self-care planner. I have been knitting these little beauties. They are so cute. I will put a picture in the video somewhere of those hats. So I want to finish making these hats. Aren't they so cute? And that's a nice big one. That's cute. Look. So that's what I've been doing. I've been making the little hats because I really just want to make my little contribution as well. And I'm going to start making some pom-poms as well. Saturday is the day where everyone brings all their knitting and their crocheting and give it to the group leader, and we're gonna take a group photograph and send off all our hats and everything to the charity, and I'm really looking forward to that. This is a plain knit. It's a plain knit. I really just want to get them all done, and this is a plain at the bottom, 3 rows of plain and 12 rows of plain and pearl. So that's what I've been busy doing, and I just want to get them done so that I can move on to do something else. Now after this we've got our challenge that she wants us to make something that we can wear, and that will take us up to the ending of the year. So what I'm looking for is a very simple pattern. I'm not quite sure whether I want to do a crochet or a knit pattern, but I think I want to do a cardigan, a long one that may be down to my thighs, because I do like my cardigans. I wear them on an evening, you know, if it's a little bit chilly outside, on a summer's evening or a spring evening when I'm walking Archie. So that's what I want to do. I'm looking for a simple one. She wants us to be able to do sleeves and, you know, stuff like that, collars, and I'm really looking forward to that. So this is my contribution to the hat, the innocent hat charity. Really pleased. I've got more pom-poms that I have to make, so I'll be getting on with those. But it's just so therapeutic to just sit down and make these little hats. They're beautiful. I've just made this pom-pom that I'm just going to sort that out. Really pleased. So that is me. Sorry about the glare. That is me. Just wanted to let you know that's what I've been up to. Oh goodness me, I've been a little bit low, and I'm trying to jump back into my crafting so I can just have an outlet to take a deep breath and recharge, you know. So that's what I'm trying to do at the moment. I sent off a happy mail this morning and I was so pleased. I'm so happy that I got to send off my happy mail, and I've got a couple more in the pipeline that I'm working on. So if there's anyone out there that I promised a happy mail, please be patient with me. I will definitely get round to doing it. Right, so that is me. That's what I'm busy working on. If you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves, and I'll see you back soon. Bye for now.